Hello friends, I am Anindam. You all are welcome to my channel English Learner. How are you? Now today I like to discuss about a vital topic, that is how the mobile phones abolished our childhood. Let's start. Childhood is a special period, special moments of our life. Yes, we all are really missing our childhood. We are trying to go back our childhoods, but it is not possible to go back our childhoods. But unfortunately, it is seen when the uses of the smartphones are really increases on between the childrens. It is seen that our childhood is like abolished by the smartphones. If you consider the previous times children's daily routine, then you can find when on the afternoon they are going to the play some outdoor games and playing with their friends on a ground. Different types of games they are played, like football, like cricket, like hide and seek. Different type of games are there. Sometimes their parents are also scolded them that don't go outside, but still they said no, I am going, because it is really enjoyment are there. We are enjoyed, and it is my habit. When the Sundays are coming, because they are waiting for the Sunday. The whole week there is a lots of pressure are there. They go to the school, and every day there are schools, different type of teachers are there, lots of tuitions classes are there, so they are waiting for the Sunday. That is means the holidays. On the holidays, with their parents they are going to the relatives house, lots of enjoyments are there, they are really happy. When a guests are coming on their house, they are very happy, and it is very interesting for them. Why? When the guests are coming, they are communicating with the guest, because the guests are not coming daily, so they are really happy. And on the other hand, when the guests are coming, sometimes they are bringing some gifts, foods for the children, so they are very happy. Sometimes you have also seen the, if you are on the previous time childhood you are spent, then you are also felt like when a load shedding time are occurred, then grandmothers tells us some stories, and yes, you are lucky if you are spent on that childhood, because it is very enjoyable, lots of enjoyment are there. But nowadays the situations are changed. When the smartphones are coming, and when the times are start, when our children are busy on their smartphones, these smartphones are like abolished our childhood. How? For an example, nowadays children are not going to the outside for the play the games. Yes, they play games, indoor games, mobile games, online games, plays on the smartphone. Lots of time in a single day they are spent on their smartphone. They are chatting, playing some games. Who like a lots of time they are busy on the smartphones. When their parents say please go with us, we are go to the outside. They say, no, no papa, I am busy, I'm playing the games, you may go. When a guest are coming, mom is calling, please come, but he said, no mama, I am busy, I am coming after some time. So that's the thing. And today's there is a no storytelling time of the grandmother, because nowadays our children are not interested. They are interested on the YouTube. They are going to YouTube and see some different type of videos are there, story videos, different type of songs are there. They are playing the songs and enjoy. So that is the main thing. Our children's this time, our children's are finding the enjoyment source is fully or centralized on the smartphones. They are finding the, if you are like to want to enjoy, then if you have a smartphone, internet connection are there, so lots of enjoyment are there. But I have a question. Please comments what you are thinking. Which time children are really lucky? Previous times childhood spending children or nowadays children? Please comment. Please comments what you are thinking. But I think previous times children are lucky, because nowadays children are really missing on that time. Because on a time when lots of enjoyment are there, or enjoyment is just a physical, not a virtually. Because nowadays our enjoyment also virtually. We are virtually enjoy. We are attracted on the virtual things. And I think it is not good. So what you are thinking, please comments. Thank you. Hello guys, please like, comment and subscribe my channel English Learner. Thanks for watching my video.